This is MOTOROLA Moto G Pure, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, make sure that you have the Drive app installed on your particular device. Usually it comes pre-installed with the system, but if that's not true in your case, you can very easily get it for free from the Play Store. Now launch the app. Log into your Google account if necessary. Then tap at this plus button you'll have at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go for scan option. Grant Drive the camera permission if it will ask you to. Then take a document that you wanted to take a scan of. Lay it somewhat flat and straight in front of you. Take a decent photo. See the result that you've ended up with. If you're satisfied, proceed. If not, retake the photo. At the following interface, you can crop the future file. In my case, I'll just trim off the edges a little. Then you can just go ahead and save it. I'll just prior to I'll rotate it to the right position. Just save it. Save, and here we have our file getting uploaded to Drive, and that's the result that we have gotten. We have a PDF file and a scan. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.